हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए तीन बड़ी जॉब अपडेट्स जो कि एचपी, डैसॉल्ट सिस्टम्स एंड जेनक्यू की तरफ से, जो कि हायर करेगी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर के रोल के लिए। सो गाइस, हम वीडियो में वही डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जैसे कि एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, व्हाट विल बी द पैकेज, where will be the location. So everything we are going to discuss in detail in this video. So guys, please watch this video till the end so you will not miss any information. Okay guys, so if you are new on my channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss any future job updates. Okay guys, so let's go see first job update, which is from Dassault Systems. Okay guys, so Dassault Systems ऑफ कैंपस ड्राइव 2021 बी टेक एम टेक के लिए एलिजिबल है गाइज। सो गाइज, ये डैसॉल्ट सिस्टम्स हायर करेगी फॉर द रोल ऑफ एसोसिएट इंजीनियर्स, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस एंड सपोर्ट फॉर बी टेक एम टेक graduates at Pune. So your job location will be Pune. They have office at Pune. So after pandemic you have to join their office if you are got selected. And the eligibility criteria is 2019 and 20 batch pass outs with BE, Tech, ME, Tech, and they have not mentioned any specific branch here, so I think all branches are eligible. And guys, talking about salary, it will be a 4.75 lakhs per annum, so it is a really good salary guys. Job role will be associate engineers and quality assurance support. Job location will be Pune, and drive date is 1st July. So here are they have mentioned three job roles. First is a quality assurance and support role. So for this role, BE Tech from CSC, IT, ENTC with 2019-20 batch pass outs are eligible. Percentage criteria is 60% throughout academics. After that, hands-on knowledge in testing of web applications, basic understanding of technologies like client server, application servers, like that, and good problem solving skills and analytical skills, good knowledge of SDLC, STLC, QA testing. सो गाइज, आपको बेसिकली सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल, ये सब नॉलेज होना ज़रूरी है। अगर आपके पास कोई सर्टिफिकेशन है रिगार्डिंग सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग, देन इट इज़ रियली गुड. आफ्टर दैट, रोल 2 इज रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट क्वालिटी assurance associate engineer. So this is eligible for ME and MTech, and for this role the package is 4,75,000. With the mechanical or mechatronics or electronics instrumentation or systems for 2019 and 20 batch. So percentage criteria is also same here, 60% throughout all academics, SSC, HSC, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and there should not be an educational gap. Have skill set for critical thinking with strong attention to detail. Knowledge of any CAD software such as CATIA, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Creo, etc. is preferred. So this is a really good job opportunity guys for the mechanical engineering students. Trained in testing concepts like manual or automation testing will be preferred. So if you are trained in manual or automation testing, then you have a preference guys. So after that, here is a third role, research and development quality assurance and associate engineer. So here is a MEM Tech with the mining or computer or IT for 2019-20 batch. So this is a role for MEM Tech with streams like mining, computer science or IT, which are passed out from 2019 or 20 batch. And percentage criteria is 60% throughout academics, no education gap, a good understanding of computer science fundamentals, software development, testing concepts, knowledge or certification on any Jovia products like Surpac, Mix, Mindshed, Vital. So if you have any certification in this, then you have advantage to get selected here. Working knowledge of Windows OS. So these are some basic skills they have also mentioned here. So talking about package, if you are applying for a first role, your package will be 4.5 LPA per annum. And if you are applying for role 2, which is for mechanical, electronics, electrical, then your package will be 4.75 LPA, which is for MEM Tech. And role 3 is also same here. So the selection process is like a in first round you will get aptitude test, in which logical reasoning and aptitude will be uh, given, and that test will be held on 1st July 2021 at 9 a.m. So if you crack that test, there will be a technical interview which will be done by Skype, and the final round will be a HR round. So this is the process of selection, and I have given a link in the description, so you can apply from there. Okay guys, so this is the job update from Dassault Systems. It is a really good opportunity guys for 2019 and 20 batch pass outs. Okay guys, so let's see next job operator, which is from ZenQ. So ZenQ is a Hyderabad based company which is a hiring for software developer with experience 0 to 1 year. Location Hyderabad, Telangana, India. CTC will be 2.52 LPA per annum. After that, eligibility criteria for the job is BE Tech in CSE, IT, ECA, electrical, mechanical, and MCA 2020 pass out are eligible for this campus recruitment. After that, must be having 65% and above throughout the academics, and should be trained on Microsoft.NET. So if you are worked in Microsoft.NET, or you have any certification or any experience in Microsoft.NET, then it is well and good, and you will be having preference. So candidate should be interested to work on MS.NET. No pending backlogs. There should not be backlogs. After that, candidate should possess good technical skills from academics. Okay, so after that, here they have mentioned selection process. So there are 4 levels of selection. In first level, there will be online written test, which will be followed by one essay writing and aptitude C programming. So in online test, you have aptitude and some C programming questions like pseudocode. You have to find output for those codes. There is no any coding question. Only pseudocodes are there, and this will be 1.5 years, 1.5 hour long test. So, and after you completed online test, and if you crack the test, then you will get email from ZenQ, which is for essay writing, and that in that email you will get one Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, you need to find your name, and in front of your name there will be a link for essay writing, which will be a basic Google form, and you have to fill details and write the essay out there. So after that, in level 2, there will be a technical round 1. In technical round 1, there will be an interview, which will be a basic interview guys. They will ask basic questions like your project, and theoretical computer science questions like ops concepts, like this. And in technical round 2, they will go ask it in deep with your related your project. Will also give any coding question to solve there. And after that, on level 4, there will be a HR round. So they have also mentioned here should have trained on following concepts in C Sharp.NET, C Sharp dot C Sharp Windows App Development, ASP.NET Web App Development, MVC, and must have knowledge of APIs, CI/CD tools, etc. So if you have this and partial knowledge, then you can apply for the job. Okay guys, I have also mentioned a link for this to apply in description. You can go through that link and apply for the job. Okay guys, so let's see next job role, which is from HP. So HP is hiring for software developer role. Location will be Bangalore. So they have mentioned some responsibilities, you can read from their website. I have given link in description. After that, education and experience required: bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, information systems, electrical engineering or equivalent. And experience they have required is typically 0 to 2 years experience. Means if you are fresher, you are eligible for the job. Knowledge and skills: experience or understanding of firmware design tools and languages, good analytical and problem solving skills, and good written verbal communication skills. So these are some basic skills they have required. So about HP, you should you have definitely know about HP. It is a big company guys. So you can apply here, which is a apply now button here. You can apply from there. Okay guys, so I have mentioned all these links in the description to apply for the jobs. So go check out guys. Okay guys, that much in this video. Please share this video with your friends who are job seeker and 2019 batch pass outs. So it will be helpful for them to apply for the jobs. Okay guys, so let's see in next video. Goodbye, take care.